How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enhance photo quality in Photoshop. Now, off the get-go, basically Photoshop isn't an AI tool where you could just press a button and it will magically increase its resolution and etc. But instead, we could apply different techniques in order to increase its quality or to improve it. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have the right project setting, because if you just import your image and then basically enlarge it, it will then go ahead and decrease the actual resolution of the image that you imported. So make sure that you have the right project. So after importing the photo, it will then retain its original resolution. From there, we then want to apply some image adjustments. And to do that, what you want to do is to actually head over to the image layer, which is going to be this one. Click on the adjustments section. And inside this page, you could adjust your image depending on what's lacking. So if the brightness and contrast isn't right, you could just press the brightness and contrast option. And from here, you could adjust it to the image right here. Now we could do a lot of things like exposure, which is really ideal if you want to adjust your image overall. And of course, we also have something like vibrance, hue saturation. You could basically color correct on the image adjustments. And from there, you should be good to go. But once again, this will apply differently from each photos. So you just want to use this different image adjustments and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.